welcome to another video. And today I'm gonna teach you guys on how to make an NPC talk. Basically, we are not gonna use scripts because this is just a very basic tutorial. You don't have the time to mess with it. So first, you'll put an NPC, or you can just use the plugin load character. I'm just gonna add my username. Okay, so we spawn at any rig you want. So I just want R6 for now. Let's wait for a while. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's move this thing. Okay, so this is our NPC that we'll use on our tutorial. So just need to take this object. Okay, and now you'll add a dialog on it. So it will start speaking. Mostly put it on the head part of it here. Add a dialog, then write anything that you want. Okay, so you'll have your initial prompt. You'll add anything that you want. Example, hi mood. Then add a dialog choice. And choose anything you want. Okay, so we already added, and now we're gonna test it if it works. Okay, so I'm gonna play the video. Okay, now we're gonna test it. Okay, this is all I got on this video, so thank you guys for watching. If you learned something new, goodbye.